There are many vitamins and minerals that are crucial for our health and well-being. And today, we will focus on one that often gets overlooked: zinc. You may be experiencing strange symptoms and not even suspect that the cause is something as simple as a deficiency in a single mineral, zinc. This essential nutrient is involved in over 300 chemical reactions in your body. It affects everything from your immune system to the health of your skin, eyes, brain, and sexual organs. The truth is that millions of people in the United States suffer from zinc deficiency and are unaware of it. What if I told you that some subtle signs like brittle nails, loss of appetite, or even difficulty tasting could be your body screaming for more zinc? If you want to discover the surprising ways your body signals zinc deficiency, stay tuned until the end. Because the number one sign is so common that most people simply ignore it. And you'll understand why it's one of your body's biggest warning signs. Let's start with one of the easiest signs to spot: skin problems. If you're dealing with persistent acne, extreme dryness, eczema, or slow-healing wounds, this could be an indication of low zinc levels. This mineral is essential for skin regeneration and fighting inflammation. Without it, even small cuts can take days to heal. Acne-prone individuals are often found to have lower levels of zinc compared to those with clear skin. Zinc helps control sebum production, which is excess oil. It also reduces inflammation, a common factor in acne. By ensuring you get enough zinc, you can help keep your skin clear and healthy. Another common sign is hair loss. Yes, it could be hormonal. It could be stress, but zinc deficiency is also a direct cause. It helps form keratin and strengthen hair follicles. If you notice you're losing more hair than usual when showering or brushing, pay attention. While genetics play a big role in hair loss, studies show that zinc is critical in preventing its progression. In fact, people with the most severe hair loss have been found to have extremely low zinc levels. Incorporating more zinc into your diet or using topicals with zinc formulations can help maintain healthier hair. Frequent infections are another red flag. Yes, we're all prone to getting sick occasionally, but if you find yourself getting sick more often, lasting longer, and recovering more slowly than usual, there might be a link to zinc deficiency. Zinc is one of the pillars of your immune system. It helps white blood cells fight viruses and bacteria. If your body is vulnerable to all kinds of infections, it's time to consider whether zinc is deficient. In fact, children with low zinc levels are known to have high rates of diarrhea, pneumonia, and measles. Adequate zinc intake helps boost immune defenses, making your body better equipped to handle infections quickly and effectively. Next, let's talk about your senses, particularly your ability to taste and smell. If you feel that foods that once had an intense flavor now seem bland, or if you've partially lost your sense of smell, especially after the flu or COVID, your zinc levels may be compromised. Zinc is directly linked to sensory nerve function. So when you're zinc deficient, your taste buds can't send signals to your brain properly. This explains why zinc deficiency can lead to a distorted sense of taste or smell. Interestingly, this symptom is so specific that doctors sometimes use it as a quick test to estimate zinc levels. Have you noticed that your favorite dishes just don't taste the same anymore? Or that you can't smell freshly brewed coffee or cut grass? These seemingly insignificant changes could actually be your body's way of telling you that you need more zinc. And speaking of not noticing things, what about loss of appetite? It seems contradictory, but zinc deficiency can affect the production of ghrelin, the hunger hormone. People with low levels often report that they simply don't feel like eating. And the problem worsens because less food equals less zinc consumption. It's a vicious cycle. Additionally, zinc plays a role in digestion and nutrient absorption. When you're deficient, the gut can't absorb nutrients efficiently, leading to feelings of fullness and reduced appetite. This can lead to malnutrition and other serious health issues. So if you find that your appetite has decreased without any apparent reason, it could be a silent alarm bell indicating a zinc deficiency. Pay attention to your daily food intake and consider whether you're getting enough zinc through your diet. Let's move on now to your nails. If you're seeing white spots, dimpling, or weakness in your nails, this could be a warning sign. Zinc is necessary for the formation of structural proteins like collagen and keratin. When it's deficient, your nails suffer. Onycholysis, a condition where the nail separates from the nail bed, is also associated with low zinc levels. Brittle or crumbling nails can also indicate a deficiency. Healthy nails are strong, flexible, and resilient. If yours are constantly breaking, splitting, or changing color, it's worth checking your zinc levels. These signs in your nails could be a subtle indication that your overall nutrition needs a boost. Consider incorporating more zinc-rich foods into your diet to see if it makes a difference in the health and appearance of your nails. Next, I want to talk about memory issues and concentration. Do you sometimes forget where certain things are or have trouble finding the right words when talking? If you experience brain fog, forgetfulness, or difficulty concentrating, zinc deficiency could be playing a role. Zinc is involved in communication between neurons and the transportation of information in the nervous system. A lack of zinc can disrupt these processes, affecting your cognitive abilities. Furthermore, zinc is crucial for the production of neurotransmitters, chemicals that help transmit signals between nerve cells. This is important for memory, learning, and concentration. If your neurotransmitter production is off balance due to low zinc levels, it can manifest as forgetfulness, difficulty focusing, or other cognitive issues. Now let's address a topic that affects many people, but often goes unspoken: infertility and low libido. In both men and women, zinc plays a vital role in the production and regulation of sex hormones. It's essential for proper functioning of the reproductive organs. In men, zinc is crucial for testosterone production and sperm health. Low levels can lead to decreased sperm count, motility, and morphology. For women, zinc is important for ovulation and maintaining the health of the reproductive organs. Infertility and low libido caused by zinc deficiency can be frustrating and emotionally taxing. It's essential to consult with a healthcare professional to determine if zinc levels are contributing to your fertility challenges or sexual health concerns. Addressing a zinc deficiency through diet or supplementation, if necessary, can be a step towards improving these issues. Finally, let's talk about mood and mental health. Have you ever felt inexplicably depressed, anxious, or moody for no apparent reason? Your emotions are closely tied to your physical health, and zinc deficiency can significantly impact them. Zinc is involved in the production and regulation of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which play key roles in mood stabilization and emotional well-being. Low levels of zinc can disrupt this delicate balance, leading to mood swings, increased anxiety, or even depression. If you find yourself experiencing sudden or unexplained changes in your mood or emotional state, consider whether a zinc deficiency could be a contributing factor. Of course, it's essential to seek support from a mental health professional. But addressing nutritional deficiencies like zinc can complement treatment plans and support overall mental health. By now, you've probably realized that zinc is involved in so many essential bodily functions. But what is the no one sign of zinc deficiency? The answer may surprise you. It's chronic fatigue. That constant feeling of tiredness that doesn't go away, even after a good night's sleep. This can be the most telling sign of a zinc deficiency. Why? Because zinc is involved in cellular energy metabolism. Without it, your mitochondria, your body's power plants, simply can't function properly. Imagine trying to run a marathon without refueling. Your body will eventually run out of energy. Similarly, zinc deficiency saps your energy, making everyday tasks seem like a Herculean effort. If you find yourself feeling drained, sluggish, and unable to keep up with your usual activities, it's time to pay attention. It could be your body's way of signaling a need for more zinc. Remember, recognizing these signs is the first step towards taking care of your health. If you think you might have a zinc deficiency, don't panic. It's a common issue that can be easily remedied. Start by incorporating more zinc-rich foods into your diet. And if needed, consult with a healthcare professional about zinc supplementation. But before you go, I want to remind you that this video is for educational purposes only. It's not intended to diagnose or treat any condition. Please consult with a qualified healthcare professional for personalized advice. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and share it with someone who might benefit from it. Subscribe to my channel for more valuable health insights. Until next time, stay healthy, stay informed, and prioritize your well-being.